Hello everyone and welcome back to Teqnyat News, where we cover the latest stories shaping the world of technology and digital transformation. Today's story is a big one and it could change the way we all use social media forever. Elon Musk announced that X, formerly known as Twitter, is getting a complete AI overhaul. Starting this November, your X feed will be powered entirely by Grok, the advanced AI system developed by Musk's company AI. Grok will analyze over 100 million posts every day, learning what you like, what you ignore, and what you engage with to deliver a completely personalized experience for every user. Unlike traditional algorithms that rely on roles and engagement metrics, Grok uses reasoning. It understands context, preferences, and even conversations. The cool part is you will be able to talk directly to Grok to customize your feed. For example, if you want less political content or much tech news, you will just ask Grok and it will instantly adjust what you see. The full rollout is expected that parts of the AI algorithm will be open sourced every 2 weeks, allowing the public to review and understand how it works. A big promise for transparency if he actually delivers. From our point of view at Teqnyat News, this is a bold move, or this is a bold move by Musk. On one hand, it could make your social media experience smarter and more personalized than ever before. But on the other hand, there are real concerns: AI bias, echo chambers, and the question of who really controls what we see online. So, should we trust an AI to decide what shows up in our feed? That's a big question. What do you think? Is this the future of social media or a risky experiment with too much AI power? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss the latest tech updates from Teqnyat News. I'm Mahmoud Abul Hassan and it was your quick tech update on Teqnyat News. Thank you for watching and see you in the next news. Goodbye.